Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Still a little congested, but feeling a lot better today. So, hey, it's all good. All right. So, we got 4 minutes until the market open. A lot of things are up, kind of coming in today. Uh, Big one, kind of in focus right now. Here, let's see. Where's it at? Divine, good morning, good morning. Lex, good morning. Garish, good morning. Black and Wild, good morning. Where's it at? Where's it at? Netflix. Okay. Oh, wrong side. I'm trying to have it over here. All right. So Netflix went crazy yesterday. All right. So yeah, looking right here, we got Netflix. Tribe. Good morning. Who got in Netflix call with? I did not. Hey, what calls did you get, Jay? Well, yeah, I was not feeling the calls, but hey, I'm glad those paid off. I see we still got the like what I was showing you yesterday. If that was you I was talking to. Jaquez, good morning. Mom, good morning. I'm in the house with the hoodie on too. Yeah. I mean, on the low, the sun is out. Like I see the sun. I know it's really cold, but I see the sun. It's nice. It's nice. Good little view. I'm downstairs at the office, my apartment complex. Skittles, good morning. Good morning. Hey, thank y'all for smashing the like button. All right, Jim Rat. Hi, Matthew. I decided to sit out and not buy Netflix. Call on Netflix. All I remember is I went to check their price last night after earnings and woke up this morning and oh dang. Okay. All right. Hey, joking, but I'm kicking myself. Oh, okay. So was that you that I was talking to yesterday about this? I mean, that's part of the thing about earnings. You just never know. If you look at like their last, I don't know how many earnings, you didn't exceed or you didn't really get a move that would have been profitable buying options. But it's like, yo, I think we were trading. Let's say we were at 870 when we had that conversation. All right, so you got like a $30 move, and on top of that, you got an additional $100. Yeah, that definitely paid off. But yeah, I definitely feel you. It's not anything I consider, but I was like, man, I was like, I wish I would have taken that. But yeah, I didn't even consider Netflix honestly. Okay, got 110. Oh dang. Ooh, boy. Oh yeah, you're about to get paid. All right, we open in 1 minute. Hey, AD, good morning, good morning. Cassius, good morning. How are you feeling today? I'm still a little congested, but I feel a lot better. I'll probably work out today. So be my first day back in the gym. Maybe maybe hit the treadmill. Lucky J, good morning. All right, so looks like we're open. All right, something that piqued my interest today was Netflix. Or not Netflix, but Nvidia. All right, so actually they might be approaching a buy zone here. I might go in early on a Netflix or Nvidia call. So there's kind of two ways to look at this. So Nvidia has hit the top of its range, but it's also incredibly bullish. So yeah, we got Nvidia at the top of its range, and like or the top of its channel, and it's just like just, I don't know. Oh, I'm actually gonna wait the first 15 minutes before I do anything, but this one has kind of piqued my interest a little bit. Yes, I almost did buy Netflix, but I felt I didn't have enough. Hey, honestly, I wouldn't kick myself too hard for that because uh, I would say with earnings, or at least in my case, a lot of the times when I want to play earnings, it does not play out. So I usually just leave it on. And good morning. Oh, you said sweat that out? Yeah, yeah. Hopefully, yeah. Get that on the treadmill. It's like I feel like my energy is up. I'm just congested. Brother B, good morning. Simon, good morning. All right. Okay, so we got a little melt up action. Here, let's see. All right, so Nvidia is going up. I also had a little. Want to take a look on at Tesla too. Look at look on a 5. All right, so that call I had yesterday on Tesla, I was annoyed. I sold out at 13, but then like just a little bit after it went up and hit the target from yesterday, I was kind of annoyed. Like it did what I charted, but the community. Good morning. Yeah, I'm feeling better. I don't sound too much better, but hey, I'm feeling better. Vitamin C. Yeah, yeah. Definitely loading up on the vitamin C. Hold on, let me check out that Tesla call I got yesterday. YY, good morning. Uh I'm not even up crazy on it, but I'm up 6% on it. AMD. Lucky J with the bag. All right. What was I gonna say? So I have been getting a lot of I don't know, I guess there are a lot of newer people here that don't know how to translate the charts to options. So I just want to let y'all know whenever I take a trade, this isn't the account I'm trading on, but what I'm going to actually do, Hakeem, hey, good morning. But just so y'all know, what I'm actually going to do is I have this tab open on Robinhood. If I add a trade, I'm going to add it to the watch list, and we'll be able to watch it over here to see how it's actually moving. And that way you can see how these kind of like translate and kind of move. That way, my thing is like trading with $100, like trading with $100 here, but the only a lot of the times the contracts I only get them because they are worth 100, whereas I have more money and I think it would be more optimal to buy both. So I think it would be good to kind of buy the $100 contract and the one that I would normally get, and like kind of watch them move to the completion of where I have the move charted at. All right, let's see how. All right, so the SPY's not doing too much of anything right now. Nvidia is still not doing anything. All right, so that Tesla's up 50%. All right, Mercy, good morning. I'm feeling all right. I can't complain. Can't complain. I'm doing great. Much better than yesterday. Up 50% on Tesla. Hey, nice, nice. Yeah, I wish I had stayed in it, but I am in a Tesla call, so it's all good. Onions work. Okay, so I didn't like sleep with them in my socks, but I did put some onions in my socks, and like I think it helped. Hey, no knowing for sure, but hey, I think it helped. My wife definitely was not having the onions in the bed though. Shaman, hello. This is my first live. Won't be here long, but I just found you and studying your content. Can I? Yeah, ask a question, man. 100%. That's why I do these lives. Because I can't really get to people like everybody, but I feel like this is the best way for me to kind of, reach out, help everybody. All right. My life be like, good morning. Good morning. All right. Okay, let's see. Phil Nye, good morning. Okay, Skittle said MGX. What's going on with MGX? Okay, this is a 15-minute. Okay, I do see some increased volume. Oh, that's market open right there. Pharmaceuticals. Okay, I don't see anything recent on it. Pre-market, it did like pump up to five. Yeah, it did have a quick pump. Let's zoom out a little bit. There was a pump over here. Yeah, last time it had a candle that looked like that. It just brought it down though. So I would be hesitant to do anything with that. Just looking at the history of the last candle that looked similar to that one. Um, Pseudo Federine helps with congestion. I wonder if I have anything with pseudofetarine. It's like, yeah, Netflix. Yeah, Netflix went crazy. Netflix went local. Okay. Yeah, that was Netflix was wilding. Hey, smash that like button, fam. Hey, that's a great idea right there. What do you think about XRP? I'm thinking about allocating from my meme into something safe. I mean, if it's going from a meme to XRP, that sounds good to me. Looking at XRP here, let's take a quick look at it. I still think it has like some. Okay, so I want to say maybe it's a weekly chart, 4 hour maybe. Yeah, so looking on the weekly chart, I'm kind of drawn to this 260 level. Me personally, if I'm gonna buy anything on XRP, I'm setting a limit order right here at. I might do it at 261, but yeah, I would put my limit order in here personally. La Pet, La Le Pipi. Morning, ARM going crazy. Okay, let's see what's up with ARM. I don't like their options contracts. Let's see what's going on with ARM. All right, Oracle, OpenAI, SoftBank to invest joint venture. Okay, and Stargate. Okay, that's kind of what was going on with Nvidia, right? All right, so Nvidia is actually knocking at that resistance again. Let's see if we can yeah, because Nvidia is something I might get on today. I think to those of you that saw my morning watch list, I had resistance. I think I said like 145.50. That's supposed to be kind of in line with this line. So yeah, we'll watch Nvidia. I might try to play that to the upside. Okay. I'm just starting day trading. Oh, Amazon drop. Just starting day trading in contracts. Starting small, but what's a good rule of thumb about reinvesting after making a profit? I don't know. I usually try to invest my profits. Hold up, I might wanna take it. Oh, hold on. I still got 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait. Still waiting for the first 15 minutes. But what is it? Oh, when it comes to reinvesting profits, I don't necessarily have a rule. It's like so say I have like a maintenance amount, a number I like to have there, and then I mean first I like to if I have anything I need to pay, I like to pay the stuff, but then really I just take the profits and I try to like what's the word? So with the profits, I try to make the profits the only money I trade with. Like after a certain point, after I've kind of like grown I guess the cash balance, it's like the initial money that I was using to trade. That's now the money being used to invest, and the money that I profited with, that's not what I'm trading with. I don't have like a good rule, but I should probably honestly look to get something good going. Moo, good morning. Say, dang, Tesla sound off like crazy. Yeah, there's some volatility there, but it's in a better place than I thought it was. Okay, Stargate. Agreed. I wonder if it'll ever go back to those levels. Wait. Stayed at high levels even in the volatility. Uh, if you're talking about 260, it'll for sure go back to that 260 level. Like for sure. Like no doubt. It'll come back. It's like how quickly, I can't say, but it'll come back and touch that level. Nvidia support 144 resistance. Yeah, that's what I had on there. Um, that's like exactly what I had on there. Yeah, I'm probably like if we get this candle closed and it closes right here, I'm probably gonna get some upside on Nvidia. And then once again, like I know y'all said that y'all are kind of struggling, so I'll add it to the watch list. We'll start taking a look, and we'll take a look at some options, and yeah, we'll take. Oh yeah, it's looking like it wants to, but still, I want to wait for this candle to close out. It's a little annoying that it decides, yo, we're about to like super take off right here. But yeah, it broke. Let's see if we can get some kind of pullback or something. All right, so now it came up here, kind of broke. I mean, we still got 2 minutes on this candle. I would like to see it pull back to this EMA. I'm gonna look at contracts. What's today? It's Wednesday? Okay. All right, what is going on? Stop loss, stop limit and stop loss, are they the same? No, stop limit. So the way a stop limit will work is, okay, say you set your stop for this level. So here, I'll make it red. So say you set your stop here and the stock comes below this. So if this comes and moves below this, once it comes below this, that triggers a limit order. So when you put in a stop limit, that's going to kind of have two things. So say you fall below this level right here, this 146.32, and you have a limit order of, ideally you want your limit order to be a little below, that way it actually gets filled. But here, let me make that green or something. Ideally you want your order to be below your limit order to actually be below. But the stop is pretty much the level it's going to trigger this order to be put in right here. Whereas the stop loss, or if you're on Robinhood, it's going to be stop market. The stop loss is just going to be 146.33. So say we got rid of this line. A stop loss is just going to sell it for whatever it's going for. So if for some reason it goes for 146.33 and then all of a sudden the next second it's going for 145, then that's what it's going to sell for. Whereas with the stop limit, it's not going to sell you out until it's going to make sure it at least sells you at that price. All right, so Nvidia is kind of here. Let's see if we can get a retest of this, at least this line right here. It's catching some volume though. I might have to rethink the contract I was looking at. Watching IPA. See what's going on with IPA. Good morning. How you? Yeah, I'm feeling better for sure. Like definitely feeling better. I don't think I sound too much better. You may think I do, but hey, I'm definitely feeling better. Still congested though. What was it yesterday? We were looking at, and I said I wouldn't touch. I don't recall if it were. I don't. I don't know. I am not sure. What do you think Netflix will come back down to? So here. I mean, it's probably going to take some time, but here, let's. But looking at this move, 9:30, like it may not. It could take weeks for it to pull back there, but that's an area I would expect for it to come back to. Un momento. All right, so all right, Nvidia is having no chill today. All right, so I'm going to. All right, so I'm gonna grab a 150 call, or maybe not. Maybe not. They're trying to. It keeps running up. The contract I was originally looking at. All right, so I grabbed a 150 call, and I paid 94 for it, and now I'm gonna add these to my watch list. So I just added. Wait, well, I added to my watch list. Okay, so I'm gonna add this one to my watch list, and then if I were just trading regular, I would probably personally, if I'm trying to ride this, I go out an extra week. And I grabbed this 148. All right, so now here, let's go to the options watch list. Where's that at? All right, and we'll see how these kind of do. Hold on, I gotta like change the setting. Yeah, that's not that helpful. I'll have to look into that. But here, let's see. let's see. Tesla 400 puts. Any ideas? You said $400 puts on Tesla? Hmm. I mean, it could make a move to like 312. It could. But as of right now, I would say, yeah, it's very like range bound between this 430 and this 409. Might have like a little here, 1 second, a little downtrend going on it. That might be a thing. That would have been nice to catch a little earlier, but it is what it is. All right. You said, yeah, it was Tesla. Tesla 400 puts any ideas in an E on watch. That's the thing. I haven't made my first trade just yet, just gathering info. So say that you start with $200 initial and make 500. I wouldn't put back all 500. I might put 500 to 60. Put back in 50 to 60%. I mean, if your profit, if you're talking about a profit, say, yeah. So me personally, in that situation, if I put 200 on a trade and I made 500, I would probably, yeah, I would take the 200 out. That's all up, shamans. Stay with paper trading for about 6 months until you get the hang of things. What is your end goal with trading? What's your take on SoFi? SoFi is, I mean, SoFi is bullish. I think the stock will be priced a lot higher in the future, but nothing too crazy. Oh, it's like I think SoFi is if you're long, like if you want to hold it over a long period of time, I can see this. I mean, I might be crazy, but I could see it being like a JP Morgan or something like that. Like some like decades down the road though. Ella had his financials today. It's looking good. It's from my home. Nice. Arm, is it still moving? Yeah, arm is really, really, really moving. That's kind of wild. To eventually become a full time and at least take the overtime workload off myself. I honestly I know how that goes. Um, Me personally, just because I used to work like almost 60 hours a week at Amazon. I would say like something really good that you can do for yourself is like, oh, hold up. We might have a potential move on. I'm gonna take a small play on Intel too. Let's see. Actually, I don't have the best luck with the way this moves. So my target would be. I mean, that could work. What's today? The 24th. I'm gonna buy a $22 call on Intel, and I paid 33 for it. And that's just something I would get. All right, so going back to the watch list, I'm gonna add that one, and that's one I would actually get, like regardless of the budget. Maybe I would get more time, but come in, get this 22, add it to the watch list, and yeah, we'll track that and see how it does. All right, going back to the charts. All right, so got a 6:05 call for SPY yesterday. That nice, nice. Get into gels very low, going to jump soon. Why is it going to jump? Did you get any trades yet? Yeah, I got into this Intel call and this Nvidia call. I just put in the same call for Intel. Nice. Yeah, the Intel, this was something I had seen yesterday. So hopefully it plays out, but yeah, we'll just kind of see. Kind of see how that goes. Anthony, appreciate you. What's the Nvidia call? I grabbed this one right here. Like if always, hey, feel free to like back up and pause. I'm gonna actually share that with the Discord real quick. Yeah, I'm actually kind of down on it. Yeah, now it wants to give me a good pullback. Oh wait, hold up. The video was kind of going crazy earlier. Might get a better entry. Let me alert the family. Just grabbed what is it? What did I get? 150. Expiring. When does it expire? It's the expiration. Oh, the 24th. All right, pay 94 per share. Then I also just grabbed. I'm hoping I can get out of the Nvidia today. Everyone just grabbed an Intel, what was it, $22 call? All right, cool. All right. All right, so let's see. I'm a new trader. What do you think of Ford? Okay, so Alec, me personally, Ford is not to be rude, but so Ford is everything that I. Oh wait, hold up. It's everything that I don't want to see in the options, or like when it comes to options trading. So I'm gonna say this right here, this is really good movement for Ford. But Ford doesn't typically move that much. Like even from here, like each one of these candles is 4 hours. So it's like Ford doesn't move much, and it I don't know. It's like I don't like it because it doesn't move that much. But if you can anticipate when a move like this is going to happen, like a move from 10 to 45, if you can anticipate that, I mean, there is money to be had there, but I personally don't like it. Like, there's much, there are other stocks more worthy of garnering my attention, in my opinion. All right, so Intel, okay, got a little movement. Can you take a look at the SPY, please? Thank you. What are you trying to see with the SPY? Oh, it does look like it broke resistance. Here, let's see. Okay, so SPY broke resistance. Still in an uptrend. Came back to retest the EMA. It's bullish. So it's about 50 cents away from its all-time high. So yeah, next level is going to be 607. I had it charted already. Yeah, so next level is 60. Hold up. I swear I was just looking at this, and this was like the high. Okay, well 607 is next level. Then it looks like it's going to be about pretty close to 608. All right, Intel's moving pretty well. Hey, that was we didn't quite enter right when it would have been most ideal, but hey, we did get like a decent entry on that. Let's see. If you have a cash account, you can make as many day trades you want. However, yup. Settle from sales. Hey, no problem. When you think it, whenever this whenever this stops, I mean, ideally the move is up to 260 or 2260, but if this decides to slow, I'll take profit. Like I'd be cool with that. It's up 21%. It's up $7, but it's cool. So ideally, if Intel wants to make a move here, the target is like 260. But if it wants to run up here, let me see. Yeah, if it wants to run up there, I'll take profit. I know these things take time. What are good options for small capital traders on Robinhood? Good stocks. I mean, it's gonna come down to identifying a move. So I would say, like for instance, this Intel one, I would say this is amazing for like if you have a small account. It's really just gonna come down to knowing how to find the move is gonna be the main thing. But I'm gonna say this is probably gonna be one of the best. Like there's a lot of Intels. There's a lot of like people trading Snapchat. What else we got on here? People trade SoFi. What else do people trade? Small accounts. Yeah, I see. So I see a lot of those. Okay, Amazon. Let's see what's going on with Amazon. All right, so Amazon is running. Let's go to 15. Yeah, Amazon's looking good. All right, so Intel having me wish I grabbed more contracts. And y'all, just so y'all know, this entry that I saw on Intel, this is 100% just the strategy. This wasn't an entry. That was just an example. But this is 100% the strategy that I once again in that video. That's all this is. That's what we're looking for with Amazon or with Intel. Hey, this one strategy will take you far. It's like if you see it, it's money. Let me to those of you wondering, that's the video right there. All right, so yeah, we're up like 57% on that. All right, let's see. Apple looks good here for a swing. I've been thinking that too. I've been watching Apple like oh wait, hold up. So they have earnings. I want to say next Thursday too. So yeah, they look really good for a swing. Also want to take the time, see if I can extend this real quick. Yeah, I want to see if they can do like some consolidation and maybe like I don't know, because they are in a demand zone. But yeah, I think they do look great for a swing. But ideally, it's like my gamble would be taking something for next week and them saying something during their earnings that would like shoot them up. Could you explain the strategy on the Intel chart? I watched the video but don't understand it 100% yet. So looking at Intel, you can see you have this range right here. Like I'm starting off on the 1 hour because this is like supposed to be a day trade. So we have this range right here. So now I'm gonna look for like the first like low that it makes. So after it makes this high over here, it goes on to make all these black candles, and this is going to be the first low it puts in down here. So now that it's put in this low over here, I have this low marked. And then ideally, once you come and pass that, that would be your entry. Now, when you pass that, you can, sometimes you just pass it, sometimes you go to the next demand zone, whatever. But ideally, your target is going to be up here, like the top of that range. But it's never a bad idea to, like, sometimes it doesn't always get to that target in a straight line though. Sometimes it'll maybe come up to the next resistance. So like where it is right now, it's not a bad area to take profit, but this right here is known as a sweep of liquidity, and there will usually be buying pressure or selling pressure depending on which direction associated with it. How's SPY looking? SPY is going up. It is going up. It is going up to retest that 607 level. Then after 607, next level is 608. So yeah, SPY is making his moves. And Nvidia's chilling now. Let's go. Alright, so is it good to buy, you sell calls back? That's how you close the position. If you're talking about buying your sell calls, I mean, if you want to close the position, that's how you sell it, or that's how you close it. Intel going up. Intel reached the call. So, Tribe, I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but so what we're looking at with Intel, so if we look at it's cool that, yeah, it reached the target. So it's going to be like the amount it moves is going to be better, but there is a price for the contract. And the further past that it goes, the higher the price is going to be. So as the value of this contract goes up, we'll be able to sell it for more. And that's why we like Intel pushing past that. Like if Intel wants to, if it pushed to $23, this would be worth at least $100. So it's like you can sell it because it's at that number now. You could sell it before, but ideally when you're trading options, you just want to buy it at one price and sell it at a higher price. Let's see. You said and your range is just the previous day. No, so the range is it doesn't necessarily have to be a day. So the range is this expansion right here. So you see how this, if you look at the chart, you can see it kind of goes like this. And that's kind of like trading sideways. The range is going to be whenever it decides to kind of extend, that's going to be the range. So the range is from here up to here. And now that it's kind of gone up there, everything in between that is trading in the range. So if we extend this, we're still trading in that same range. And it's like whenever we break above that, that's going to create a new range. I mean, I would say you're asking the right questions. It may be confusing, but you're asking the right questions. Why does it take so long for an order to fill? All right, so when it comes to getting your orders filled, if I were trying to get an order for this call filled, if I'm trying to buy it, see there is a bid price right here, and then there's an ask price. If I put my order in right now it'll go for the ask price. But say I put in 0.41 and the ask price goes up to 0.43, it's not going to get filled until the ask price comes down to 0.41. So it's like if the bid and the ask, like if your bid isn't lined up with the ask, that is what's taking it so long to get filled. You said AMD's looking good. I mean, that's good. AMD's kind of it's looking all right. So in comparison to the range, it's on its way up. It's on towards the bottom end of the range. But yeah, it's looking all right. Love to see that kind of shoot up more, but yeah, AMD's it's doing all right. It's cool. Love to see that shoot up some more though. Oh, Intel's trying to give up his gains already. Let's go to a 15. Still all right. No problem, Tribe. Do you track? No, I don't know what XSP is. What is XSP? Oh no, I don't. I would say I follow in other ways. All right, so we got the spy heading to heading towards that 607 level. Like Intel tremendously. So a spy break 607 has more room for. Yeah, so that would be a breakout level. We'll probably see some selling happen at the 607 level first. So we might see a little bit here first. But we might spend a little bit of time here or we might get pushed down first. But yeah, when it breaks 607, yeah, there is more room for this spy to push up. Three option order. Is it good to buy my sell calls back? I have two sell calls and two buy calls. Hmm. So hold up. I'm trying to process that. All right, so it's like I was trying to process, but then I just started staring out the window. I mean, all I can really say is like I can't see the exact situation, but all I can really say to that is it's like by doing that, it's almost like you reduce some of the liability and like take more weight off your shoulders potentially. Because it's like when you sell the call, it's like you have a responsibility if those calls expire in the money to pay out or give those shares. So it's like by buying those buy calls back or sell calls back, you're reducing liability. So if that's something you're looking for, then yeah, spy broke 607. I wouldn't say broke. It like tapped it. A break would be like I would say like this candle right here that Nvidia did. I would call that a break. But this is like it. This is like it being tested. Other than resistance levels, how do you determine when to exit a trade, or do you? So typically you just go from level to level. Trading, yeah, it's going to be level to level. So it's like say, like if we look at Intel's chart right here, there are so many levels for each trade. So say there's a level there. There is a level here. There's a level here. It's almost like it's moving in 10-cent increments. There's a level here. Level here. There's a level here. So it's like ideally when you're trading, you go from level to level. It's like, okay, is it holding up at this level? All right, cool. It'll probably go up to the next one or so it's like you go from one level to the next and kind of assess if it still has good strength, then look to ride it to the next. If it doesn't, consider closing out and taking profits or taking a loss. It's like, yeah, when you're trading, you just want to, you're riding the stock from one place to another. Is it a paid Discord or free? Both. There are paid elements, but there is also like a lot of free. The majority of it, I would say, is free, and there is a lot of value in the free section. Intel needs to jump to 24 quickly. I will take the ding on my 3-day trades for that. If Intel jumps to 24, yeah, I'll figure out how to do a backflip today. If it jumps to 24 by the end of the day. All right. Please remember, like and sub if you're making money and learning. Thank you. Hey, yeah. If you are making money and learning, if you are fortifying your mind, yeah, be sure to smash the like button. I'll hold off on joining them, but good to know. Oh, you don't want the free? The free is still hey, it's here, I'll drop the link. Like it's still like the free section's not bad too, but like I got Alpha Trader in there. He gives a lot of good trade ideas and analysis. Oh, okay, yeah, no. Oh, no worries. Hey Matthew, you have videos on so I do. They're very old. Yeah. Yeah, I have some very old ones. I mean the examples aren't the best, but like when it comes to the concept, I would say it's there. Let me look it up. Let's see. Yeah, this video definitely needs to be remade. Ooh, very much so. But yeah, that's gonna be my video on selling puts. Ooh, my goodness. Here, let me real quick. Yeah, I'm about to wipe my nose. I'm not trying to have y'all watch me wipe my nose. It's a little weird. I don't like making eye contact while I'm wiping my nose, so un momento. But I'm still here though, so it's all good. All right, so I do see we have the Dixie rising up a little bit. PC is actually a little lower today though. Okay. Honestly, we're not doing okay. Hey, all right. One thing I want to say here. Look at it right here. So Meta. Yo, start watching Meta a little closer. If you got like some extra money, don't be surprised if Meta has like some kind of breakout and breaks to a new high. I think they might be one of the companies that have earnings next Wednesday. Not sure. But oh yeah, they have earnings next Wednesday. But is there are a lot of rumors going around and there are signs showing something with them and TikTok. So yeah, just keep an eye on Meta. Because if they end up acquiring like the American part of TikTok, money, plenty of money to be had there. Thank you for the knowledge you're sharing this. It's just my first time putting it together. What I've been studying. Nice, nice. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. How do you get three charts on one screen? I have a video for that very thing. Yo, hold up. Yeah, people were asking. I was like, yo, it's like I get questions and they just become videos. Let's see. Filter, visibility. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the exact video. Okay. Yeah, so when it comes to. Oh, wait, hold up. You asked me a simple question. I don't. There's the video for it, but you don't need to see the video. Pretty much all you do if you want to change the number of screens, you click on this thing. It probably looks like this single box right here, but you click on this and you can choose how many screens. I think if you have I think you can only do one or two if you're on the free one. So be aware of that. But yeah, if you're on a higher plan or whatnot, you can do more. But if you did really want to have multiple screens and whatnot, um, I know Weeble, you can do that. Moomoo, you can do that, and yeah, on their desktop trading platform, yeah, it's yeah, they got you taken care of. I would say the main thing that's probably lacking on those platforms is just this profit and loss tool. Everything else should be there though. All right, all right, what's up? Okay, okay. And at 11:15 or 25 on P. Oh, I'm down to watch that. PDYN. Okay, not too far behind. I see you. Okay, look at it go. I took profit on that. What was it? You said this morning. All right, I said that after they said. Oh, okay. Cool, cool. Would you be willing to update those videos? Yeah, I want to in the future. My thing right now is really just time. Right now, like something I really, honestly, I've been wanting to do it all year, but oh, I've really been struggling with time. Has been to throw together like a little, like a miniature course or whatever to, like I want to call it path to options trading. So it would essentially be a technical analysis course because a lot of people come in and they don't understand technical analysis, but you need to learn technical analysis before you're trading options because otherwise you're just buying options contracts and without like a real idea of where you expect it to go. And that's how I got started, but we want you to do better than me. So, yeah, ideally, technical analysis. You got a vid for everything. Appreciate that. I mean, wish I had a video for everything. Nvidia trying to run, but yeah, I'm here for it. Let them let them run it back up. Let them run to like 155. Let them run to the all time high or something. Shoot, if they want to come up here to 153, 154, I'm not mad. I'm here for it. Isaac, good morning. It's cool. You've already given free game. Where him? Oh, cool, cool. All right. God lifts me up every day. Yes, he does. Good morning, Matthew. Pray all is well. Thank you again for taking the time out of your day to share your wisdom with us. Pray you continue to be blessed. Hey, same to you. Uh, Thank you for taking the time out of your day. to share your positivity with us. Whenever you look at the 1 hour, are you looking for an engulfing green candle? Nah. Uh, when you say confirmation, what do you mean by that? Because I know like confirmation, like conceptually confirmation is just like what confirms you're getting in on a trade. So it can look a lot of different ways. So I'm not sure if there's a specific strategy that you see me post, or if there is something specifically you're seeing me look at right now. So I would say like your question is good, but it's just like I'm not sure exactly what exactly you're pointing at right now. How long have you been trading? Like 6 years? You know, I don't think I found technical analysis till like I think I probably went the first like 3.5, 4 years without like any real technical analysis. So yeah, it's like I was just trading off news. Wait, let me think of that. Hold on. Yeah, what's this 2020? Yeah, yeah. So it's probably been about 2.5 years of me actually technically analyzing things and whatnot. ARM and SMCI are forming flag patterns and yeah, yeah. We can take a look. I mean, yeah, you could say that. Yeah, you could very well say that with ARM. I wouldn't so much call I wouldn't so much call SMCI a flag. It's like it kind of went up, had an expansion, and then now it's pulling back. I wouldn't call this a flag though. Here, let's see. Your hourly strategy is hey, it's not my strategy. That's honestly that's something people try to gatekeep and keep a secret. But yo, yeah, it can change your life if you actually like see and watch it and give yourself the adequate time. Or honestly, even if you like right here, I had 60% like going up here. But I would say most of the time with this, if you set it to like 20 or 30%, if you were able to find this, like you're not going to be able to find this on the same stock every day. But say you have a watch list of like 20 stocks, you'll probably see it on like one or two stocks every day. If you were able to go through and do this once a day, uh, yeah, you could change your life with that. I learned a greed lesson. Didn't sell my HUSA call after it was up 100% yesterday. Sold it. Oh no! Wait, where's the HUSA? Oh yeah, yeah. So I had the shares. So I sold them in pre-market. The USEG and the USA. I'm still in this space. I'm down like 20 on those. Yeah, I struggle with my entries. Yeah, that's hey, that's something. At least you know where you struggle and where you can stand to improve. It's like I still struggle with my entries too, um, and like a lot of times I'll like realize, oh yeah, that probably wasn't the best entry, but also sometimes I'm like, yo, I want to risk it because sometimes you don't always get that best entry, and the best entry is like the risky one. So yeah, I'm still in Intel. Like I'm watching it on a 15 right now. It's like I can see it like Like it would make sense for it to continue to make its way up. It hasn't really fully lost momentum. If I was watching it on a 5 minute, then yeah, I would have cut out. But as of right now, it's still looking good. Even if you look at it on the 15 minute with the 13 EMA, we've still we're still holding above this 13 EMA on the 15. So yeah, I'm still in it. That's how you started, no technical. I'm not even sure I was writing trends. I feel if you're able to analyze a trend, that's partially technical analysis. Like if you can see, oh, it's trending this way, that's technical analysis. Good morning, everyone. Did the onion socks work? Ah, so I did put onions in my socks, right? Actually, I put them in like I got like some like grocery store bags, and like put them there, and I just put them on my feet, tied them on. But yeah, I want to say they help. Like I woke up in the middle of the night and I was like, dang, like I felt like I was ready to take on the world, and like low key, I've been up since like I want to say like 3:30. I got like so much work done this morning, like so much. Um, like I do these Amazon videos, and honestly I got probably like 10 videos done today. Like edited them, recorded. No, I didn't record them, but edited them, edited the thumbnails, uploaded them, and yeah, I was going to work. Think Spy will go up anymore? Let's get back. Look at the Spy. Honestly, I think it will continue to push. Like there's some selling pressure at 607, but I think it's gonna kind of push through. I think it's still like bullish and it's gonna make its way and push through, but we'll see. Check out RR. Did we look at this? I feel like we looked at this like not too long ago. I feel like this may have been something that Skittles brought up or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's looking nice. Definitely looking nice. All right. I asked because I heard another trader say that he uses five to enter to take a trade, but he also looks at the. So I mean, I would say that's solid. DT. That sounds like taking the 5 minute and the 15 minute to like look. That's kind of what I do. It's like I start on the hour. I pretty much essentially like kind of skipped over the 15, but it's like I look at that too. Like sometimes I'll check that for demand zones if I don't see any. D Scurv, still learning to set stop losses, but finding it crucial to. Yeah. Would you say there is a cap or limit to the number of stocks you would hold in a portfolio? Uh, I'm gonna say I'm gonna say yes, but I'm gonna say my income doesn't match with that limit yet, so I have not found that limit. I mean, ask me in a year or two, uh, maybe I'll have found it, but I'm not there yet. What stocks would you recommend for smaller accounts for options? So sorry about that, y'all. Gotta clear the sciences, but I mean Intel works. Snap is one that normally works. SoFi. I mean, I don't love the idea of options on it. It's like usually if you're able to find something before it moves, hey, it's nice. Like if you're patient, there's a lot of things, but like Yeah, let's go. I would say stuff like Snap and Intel and SoFi. Onion armpits. Yeah, I did not put them in my armpits. My wife was not. She probably thinks they already smell enough like onions. Yeah, so SPY is like hitting the 607, but you want it to break it. You want it to push through. Yeah, we'll let it get there. What's going on with Apple? Right now it's just consolidating. So here, let's go up to a larger time frame on Apple. Let's see what it looks like on Apple. So right here, you can see it is building the ooh, hold up. Potentially good entry right here. Hold up. So, I mean, first off, we got a downtrend on Apple right here. This is a demand zone right here. Me personally, so Apple has earnings next Wednesday and it's in the demand zone. So I think Apple could consolidate here till its earnings. And I would say there is a really, really good chance. I don't know what kind of stuff they could say, but I could see this like sending them flying. Like I don't know. I think like now is a good time to what are their options at? Let's see. The more I talk about it, I've already discussed this like twice today. Let's see. I mean, their options are. I mean, they're still. Hold on. What if I get 2 weeks? Uh, oh wait, hold up. Oh, hold up. Oh, never mind. Thought I was on to something. Yeah, I don't know. Right now, I think it's consolidating. It does have some of that earnings premium already kind of priced in a little bit, but yeah, right now I would just say it's consolidating. Skills that if I put them under my armpit, probably would lose it. Interesting. I don't know how to feel about that comment. All right. How are we feeling on AMD? I see we're. It is AMD moving like that now? Hold up. Oh, okay. I was about to say. Yeah, because you said 127. I was like, whoa. So right now, AMD moving in this channel. So if it were to, yeah, 127 would be there. But right now on a lower time frame, oh, hold up. They're still having trouble really getting and holding above this 124. Or to be a little bit more precise, I mean, see them break out above 124.40 or so. They're still having trouble doing that. Y'all are very welcome. SoFi is better for leaps. Honestly, when it comes down to like any of the smaller ones, my thing is like whenever they pull back, yo, get some time. But honestly, yeah, SoFi is like it's very weird with the timing. So I kind of agree with that. Arm taking another leg up. Yeah, so yeah, a little bit. This move, it looks a little weaker as opposed to these, so a little bit weaker, but hey, it's making the moves. Where do you recommend starting as a beginner trader? Learning technical analysis. Yeah, so I like learning how to chart, learning like watching like picking stocks and like trying to anticipate where you think they're going to go, and like taking a few stocks and like learning their patterns and kind of like charting them and seeing how they react and respond, like. And I would look at the more popular ones because the ones that aren't as popular, they aren't, they're not going to be able to, the patterns aren't going to be there like they are with others. Oracle and Microsoft. Is that the, what was it? What was that? I forgot what it was called. What is it called? Morgan Stanley keeps overweight but lowers its price target to 540. Yeah, they're having a good day. Dang, Netflix. Yeah, it's kind of pulling back faster than I thought it would. Let's see if we end up pulling back to the fib on Netflix today. Also, let me clear this out so I don't think this is actually like a critical level. This too. Well, is this? M-Cent. So yeah. I tried some onions. My feet now know what onions taste like. Where's Palantir? Oh yeah, Palantir. I saw it was up at like 76. Palantir. Dang, yeah, Palantir is going off. Little resistance here. I mean, it's kind of pushing through it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Palantir doing some things though. Video 150 could be something. I mean, yeah, let's make it happen. Let's get some more volume in right here. Bring it in, bring it in. Let's go. Oh, Stargate. Yeah, that's what I was trying to. That's what I was looking at. Stargate. Yeah, I was like, what's the word? What is it? Yeah, Stargate. Do you ever hold calls for a week? Yeah. Sometimes I hold longer. Good news. Nice to hear. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of bullishness. A lot of bullishness. Y'all, give me a second. Here, I'm gonna turn the mic off because I might get demonetized if I step out and they hear this music. I'm gonna step out real quick and adjust the heat because it's a little bit cold in here. Oh yeah, they definitely adjusted the temperature. Yeah, I had adjusted the temperature to the perfect level before I came in here. No, I think maintenance came through. They adjusted things. All right, let's see. XRP is heavier than I thought. I will have to tread carefully. What do you mean by heavier? Does Nvidia or oh NVEA? Okay. Here, let's see. I don't. Oh, NVDA potentially. I mean, it looks like it could be. Uh, I mean, it looks bullish. I wouldn't quite call it a flag, but could be. I noticed you focus on price action. At what point do you use tools like moving app? So I the moving averages I kind of use as like almost like a support. Like usually it'll line up with something else. And like a fib, that'll I use that to look for potential retracement levels. It's like, oh, where might it pull back to? I mean, I would say a fib is definitely of lower importance in the things that I look for, but I mean, I use it, but yeah, the EMAs and whatnot, I kind of use them as just yeah, look at them as support and resistance. A lot of times you'll see stuff bounce off of EMA. Only thing about EMA is like, okay, it lines up with it on this time frame. No, the thing about EMAs is like figuring what time frame is most in line for that stock. Because it's like one day the stock may be perfectly moving with like the 30-minute EMA, but the next it might be moving with like the 5 or the 15. So really, there's no like one size fits all for that. So I just kind of like look at it for a general area. NYC is OD with the cold right now. Yo, Texas is OD with the cold right now. It's way too cold. Skittles, Stargate. Stargate, yeah. That's an operation. Big companies. Gates of the Star. Hey. 19 degrees in Jersey. It's about 20 in Dallas. Or let's see what it is right now. It's 27 now. It was oh no, it's 33 now. Okay. It was 20 when I woke up. But we got the sun is shining. It's very windy. I'm gonna need this to chill out though. SPY is going down. I mean, SPY, when you look at it, hasn't really moved much today. And if you look at the 10-minute EMA, it's like right now it's still upholding. when I add it to watch list, it will be good. But 26 here in Central Oregon, 74 here, and it's 11 p.m. Yeah, okay. I hear you, Skittles. What kind of what are the bugs like out there though? Out here, the bugs don't like I don't have to worry about bugs when it's cold. Hey, every kind of weather has its benefits. All right, let's see. When I enter, when I actually enter a trade, it will be negative. Isn't it? So I know what you mean by the watch list thing, and I think it comes down to trading psychology, because it's like if you were to trade with no worries, or if you could act on all of your ideas with no worries, then I mean you can see what'll happen. But thing is, when you have to have a budget and a balance, and you have to allocate a certain amount of that, and you're like, oh, which trade is going to be the best trade, and like what's going to like yield the best, that puts pressure and kind of messes with the psychology of a trade. So yeah, 100% makes sense. Good morning, Spy. Still showing a lot of strength, but coming down. I think I'm sitting the week out trading unless. Hey, good idea. Here in Austin, Texas, yes, it's nippy. Ooh. Yeah, it's very, very nippy. I would imagine it's probably a little hotter than here, though. I know Austin, for sure, in the summer, like hotter than Dallas. Even if it's just a few degrees, I'm like, yo, Austin's hot. Yeah, we're not really moving anymore. Tropical. Oh, you put a spider in there. Oh no. Oh no, sir, Skittles. Since ANAT have a stock split, it's been running high. Here, let's see. All right, so Nvidia is retesting this trend line. So yeah, if they want to hold this, that's a good sign. Like if it turned out to just be a retest, that's great. Here, let's take a look at I don't see much news about them. It got to 11 earlier in the morning, and then the wind made it feel like night. Oh yeah, yeah. Not a fan of the wind chill, or at least not in the winter. Any trading books? Recently read Trading in the Zone. Did you enjoy it? Um, when it comes to trading books, honestly, I'm gonna say like I don't think I've really read anything life changing. I would say like reading books that have to do more with like your mindset and whatnot, just like kind of ideas and philosophies, have done a lot more for me. I don't think I've really read any books that were like life changing in the world of trading now. Skittles, do you have fruit bats where you're at? It's an interesting question. Maybe I just jumped the gun with XRP. Would say it's must have a asset such as Bitcoin. Um. Oh yeah, there. It's being said that XRP is something you want to have, but honestly, this is just me regurgitating information. I don't necessarily live or die by any crypto or anything. My thing is just be able to adapt, be able to like see the value. It's like right now it doesn't serve anything to me to have Bitcoin or XRP or anything. So because of that, I don't really put the emphasis on them that other people do. And I don't know. My thing is, if it comes to it, when the time comes, I'll be able to adapt and whatnot. Um, but I don't know. I say it's kind of like just investing, or actually more like speculation, because it's like there were people who had Bitcoin. Like I had a friend who bought like multiple Bitcoin when it was like $500, and I don't know. I think he sold them for like 20,000. But I feel like at the time it was speculation, and you didn't know. It was kind of just like what was being said. So I don't know. Trading in the Zone is an amazing book. Okay, that's two people said that. Oh, maybe I need to check out Trading in the Zone. Okay. Bible study. What about Bible study? Has a lot to do with psychology. I love it. Okay. Hey, the psychology is important. Using AMD as an example, how many consolidation candles do you wait for before you think it's holding the trend line? Let's take a quick look at AMD real quick. What time frame are we looking at? Okay, so Intel pushing up, but Nvidia is like, no, we're not doing that right now. Okay, let's see. You said 5 minutes. I don't know. For me, I would have a hard time like really doing anything with this. If I were trying to draw a trend line, the only thing I think I would try to draw a trend line on the 5 minute here would maybe be something like this. Like maybe if I saw this over here. But if I saw this, I would probably go up to a higher time frame just because I'm like, oh, this looks like it's part of the same trend, but this looks like it's probably liquidity on a higher time frame. So if we move to a 10 in that same area, it's like, oh, yeah, we got a trend line over here. Okay, every time we touch it, oh yeah, we go up. Oh, we broke it. Oh, we fall back down. Okay, Intel is back above 22. What are we doing? I've never seen live bats here, but I know they have bats They sell it as. Oh, interesting. Okay, I was just wondering. Thank you. XRP could be huge based on its fund transferability in other countries, but still, personally, XRP and Bitcoin should only be 10% of really into crypto of your portfolio. Hi Matthew, I found out another tool to help with trading is using the fear and helps with fear and greed. Appreciate you sharing that with me. But yeah, fear and greed index. You can pull it up real quick. See where we're at today. Okay, we're neutral. Last time I checked, we were like fear. You know, whenever you see we're at extreme fear, start getting the longs. But yeah. Yeah, we're back to neutral. Okay. Let's pull Nvidia back up. Okay, Nvidia's still holding up at the Are you in Dallas? It's 21 degrees here. Oh no. Yeah, I'm in Dallas. Do you study the Bible? Yeah. Yes, I do. That I do. The community. Yes. I wouldn't say it's most of my reading time though. It's like that's how I start the majority of my days. There are like days I kind of slip out, but yeah, that's how I start most of my days. But I also listen to like a great deal of audiobooks, and so because of those audiobooks, nah, yeah, I take in a lot more from the audiobooks than I would say the Bible, just because the Bible requires a lot more focus. Because it's like, yo, what's going on here? You gotta be like slower and pay more attention. And it's like I need to see and hear. Skittle said, "Come visit and enjoy." 80 degrees here in Panama. Oh shoot, in Panama. Okay. Hey, y'all flexing with these temperatures right now. Have you ever used the anchored VWAP on? No, it's an anchored VWAP. See what that looks like. Let's change the color. Oh man, I can't see anything. Is there like a certain time frame? It's the anchor VWAP. Yeah, I don't know what to say about it because it's not showing up. But just pull that down. That's a no for me. Haha. The book definitely helped. Okay. Ginger, lemon, green tea. Hey, yeah. Right after this, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna have some tea time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hit the gym today because I feel like I am well enough for that. Or maybe not full on gym, but I might hit the treadmill. Skittles' big wolf spider was in my bathroom during the summer. I told it what the mortgage was because I refused to. Oh, that's wild. I guess it's safe to say you don't live in Australia. Actually, got a friend or two in Australia. I know of at least one. The manual anchored VWAP. Is that what you need to type in? Is it manual anchored VWAP? Yeah, I might need to come back to that. What do you think about SoFi between now and earnings on Monday? Another SoFi sell. I hope it sells off. I hope we get a strong sell off. Honestly, when it comes to earnings, yo, I am in the dark. If anything, I feel like SoFi has. Uh, I was gonna say I felt like it had stuff going for it, but right now they're not talking about like cutting interest rates or not. Like they're talking about like potentially like reversing. So I think it's gonna kind of come down to the way that plays out. But yeah, I have no idea. Like I've never been good at earnings. That's why my thing is always to wait until after earnings. The only time I've ever like killed it with earnings was when I actually owned shares. Yo, I'm back. Spy looking weird right now. Yeah, Spy is very much so. Here, let's look at it on the 1 hour real quick. So this could be like a sweep of liquidity. Let's see. What's over here? Nah, never mind. Let's check the 4 hour. What's it look like? Did we come up here? So we came up. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I don't know what to say about the Spy. All right, yeah, Intel's moving back up. Looks like we might have a little trend going on Intel. Try to draw something like that. See if it holds up. If it ends up breaking, then cut out. But yeah, if that's a trend, just try to ride that. Not to always super conservative on next quarter estimates because he likes to beat and impress opposite of Musk. Oh yeah, you know how Elon is. Today the market is wild. It must be the earnings. I'm getting demolished so far. Yeah, it's earnings season, so yeah, this is a whole nother animal. You gotta watch out for the big bad earnings. Bro, I'm just like slumped in this chair. All right. Okay, let's go. All right, so we got 75 likes. I feel like now is a good time to do a little educating. All right, so to those of you that are unaware, if you take a look at the video, scroll down, look just below the video, there is an icon. If you can see the screen, it looks like this right here. Notice this is my thumb. Notice the direction it's pointing. It's pointing up. All right. There's an icon that looks like that. We call it a thumbs up. All right. On YouTube, maybe on platforms like I'm not sure if it might be like that on Facebook. It's also referred to as a like. When you like something, you give it a little thumbs up. On YouTube, it's referred to as smashing the like. You know, sometimes you might tap the like, boop the like. You know, just I don't know, interact with the like in some way, shape, or form. Just wanted to do my part to let you know that's there, and let you know that YouTube enjoys when you interact with that like button. And who knows, maybe you interacting with that like button right there will do some good in your life. No promises, but it might do some good in your life. It may even do some good in mine. But yeah, there's a like button there. Feel free to smash it. All that good stuff. All right, so let's see. Goodness, yeah, Taylor. Let's see. Good posture now will help when you're old. Yeah, Skittles is. I'm very big into. I mean, okay, I know I'm not sitting at the best posture right now, but yeah, I'm very big on like first off, like I guess you could kind of say posture and mobility. Like I'm very big on mobility and making sure that I am the way that I should be. I mean, whenever I'm in a chair like this, I make sure I'm not doing it all day, or I make sure I'm not doing this too long. But I also don't necessarily feel like the worst when I'm like this. If I want to slump a little bit, but yeah, I do a lot to make sure that I'll be good in the future. Do a lot of biohacking. It's actually quite annoying that I got sick. It's like I can usually like evade sickness, but when I got sick, it was kind of just the perfect storm. I was out. I needed sleep. It's like whenever my body's under a lot of stress and I'm not giving it everything it needs, it's like yo, sickness just swoops right in. That's exactly what happened. All right, hit that STAI on watch. Let's see. Let's go. Hit that like button for good juju. I smushed the like button. Okay, smush it. Okay, I hear you. Not sure why, but when I go to a YouTube video, it doesn't allow me to like. It tells me to sign in. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, yeah. So, yeah, if you're not signed in, or if you're like, sometimes like, say you clicked on somebody's YouTube link off of like Instagram or something like that, you, whatever browser you're on, you're not technically signed in on, and then it's just like, oh yeah, you can't like it unless you're signed in. So I don't know. There are possibilities Spy will go up. I mean, I would say it's very well possible. Yeah, that's very well a possibility. Could definitely see that happening. Anthony Taylor. Oh shoot, welcome to the family. Another one to the family. Let's go. Let's go. I'm here for it. Let's go. Hold on, what do I look like? Let's go. All right. All right, okay. Yeah, let's get this money. Okay, let's see. All right, looking at kind of going over maintenance for the plays we're in. Oh, hold up. I ain't even Lucky J. Hold up. Throw that one in there. A minus. All right, let's see. So looking at the maintenance for the Trades currently riding. Nvidia is kind of looking good, but I'm very interested to see. Like this is the 1 hour chart. I'm very interested to see how the 4 hour closes. And we got 38 minutes on that, but I'm probably not going to last the 38 minutes because yeah, I'm hungry. And then looking at Intel, it's looking all right. I think I like looking at it on the 15 more than I do on the 5. Because right now on the 5, this looks like, hey, we might have a double top. But on the 15, it looks like, hey, it's in an uptrend. So we'll see what happens with that. But as of right now, I'm still holding both of those. I don't think I got anything else today. I do have that Tesla, but Tesla has earnings next week as well. So hopefully Tesla will get like a little IV run up or something. All right, so we got Intel pushing a little bit. All right, hold up. Shoot, let me go give myself a like. Yeah, that's right. I got an extra account. Let's see. Back when I started my YouTube channel, it was me. Those first like 5 views, hey, that was always me. Those 5 likes, hey, it was me. Here, let's see. Yeah, sometimes you gotta show up for yourself before other people show up for you. Hey, loving the energy. Yeah, they're very much so loving the energy. It's wild seeing what they call those emotes. Yeah, they just bring a whole completely different energy to the chat. Hey y'all, what y'all trading today? So hey, what's up, Life with T Keller? So got in a call on Intel. It was like a $22 call. I think we got in. Ideally, we would have got in over here, but didn't see it in time. But got in over here. And that call, actually, I can show you. I forgot we looked at it. So yeah, we got just a simple little Intel call. It's up 33%. Then I think there is a, what is it? NVIDIA 150 call. Oh, it's not doing so hot. Ooh. Let's see how the other contract's holding up. Oh, that's probably not doing so hot either. Not doing so hot, but it's holding up better. But yeah, those are that's what we're looking at. Start over what I missed. I'm like number 89. What about the rest of you? I don't even know where I was at. I think I was 93. 12 more likes to hit 100. Come on, fam. I see 4 more. Do you have 100 shares of one particular stock? Depends on the portfolio. Like these little videos I'm doing with my Roth, that's what I want to do. Like I wanted to like quickly establish a position in SoFi. That was my plan from last year. But now it's like that was when it was like around like $8 or $9. It was sub 10. Now it's 17. So I'm pulling profits from one of my other accounts, about to like make a little deposit. So I'm eyeing Fubo for that, but at the moment I don't think there's anything I have like 100 on. Yeah, not at the moment. Oh shit, we hit 102. Good stuff, good stuff. All right. 97. Here, let's see. Let's see. Yes, I like the idea of a Roth too. No gain. Yeah, 100%. So, yeah, so I'll do like the different, what was say? Got distracted. Yeah, but yeah, the Roth is, hey, it's money. I'm not, I don't think I'm starting off too hot this year, but that other account last year that I kind of started with, it didn't start off too hot either. I'm down like 20%. Like in this wonderful year, I'm down 20% on the Roth. And then my other account that I think mostly I've been trading like penny stocks in it. I'm up like, the portfolio's up 28% on the year. So I'm pulling profits out from that one. I'm just throw them in the Roth because I want to like max out my last year's contribution. Yeah, the good old $4, $6, $8 so far. I don't even remember at four, but yeah, that's nice. Everyone talked about it reaching 20. Yep, yep. I can see it going a lot further, but just taking a lot more time. Okay, there's STAI moving. I forgot about that. Okay, so we got the SPY above that 717 level. Nvidia's still just kind of chilling here. Yeah, SPY is moving up. Okay, so we're it's actually lining up with Euro close. Let's take a look at the volume. I mean, it's not really like I'm not seeing any like elevated volume, but it's like people were saying this was a break earlier. Hey, this is looking more like a break right here. But I will say it's like it doesn't necessarily mean as much on the 5 minute. Also looks like it's selling off right now. You said IWM appears to be recovering. Hold up. Here, let's pull out the fourth chart. Let's see what's going on with IWM. Let's see. All right, so IWM since yesterday it's kind of used this trend line that was serving as support as kind of resistance, and yeah, I guess we'll kind of see. I mean, there is a gap down to like 225, but IWM is doing this thing. Okay, so SPY has broken out. I'm not going to take another trade on it, but the SPY has broken out. And yeah, there can be more upside. There's a good chance it'll continue to trend the rest of the day. I'll probably get my move on Intel now. Let's see. Let's go, Intel. Wait, what's I don't get the tax difference between SPY and SB unless it pertains to the whole nation. Honestly, I don't really know about all that either, so I'm not the one to really say. But yeah, I don't know. Can you share some penny stock? Uh, Honestly, all the penny stocks I trade are like they come from these streams. They're not the ones I give. Like I don't give penny stocks, but they come from like Brother B, Lucky J, and Skittles. It's like I see something, I'm like, oh yeah, let me grab 100 shares. So yesterday, here, let's see what I grabbed. So I grabbed some USEG, some HUSA, and SPCE. I took profit on USEG and HUSA this morning, like in pre-market, and SPCE. Uh, I think I'm down like 20 on right now. Let's see. Yeah, I'm down like $23 on that. Chase, good morning. Hey, Skittles the man, you already know. Yeah, giving us the bread all the way from around the world. Like, for real. That's Skittles, the legend. All the mods here are good. Shout out. Shout out to the mods. Hey, for real. Hey, they got that wrench. They got that wrench for a reason. You know, they were here showing out. But I think I'm gonna call it a day right here, family. Wait, sometimes when things are falling apart, they may actually be. Ooh, preach with the wisdom, with the wisdom. Wow. All right, but yeah, that's gonna do it for the day. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Give me the energy to like get up and get out of bed and like first off, talking me into putting those onions on my feet. That's wild. And hold up, are you exiting Intel today? For sure. So I'm looking at 2240. Also looking at this trend line. So yeah, I drew a trend line, and that's what I'm looking at. So like if we break this, it's like I'll cut out and take profit wherever that's at. But yeah, I'm for sure exiting Intel today. Yeah, shout out to the family for making it easy for us. Thank you, Matthew in chat. Have some diatomaceous or oh okay. All right, yeah, let me go get some dirt. Yeah, for sure. All right. Uh I mean, I didn't sleep in the onion feet, but it's like I put them in like a bag, and I don't know. It's like I was in the middle of the night. I felt great. Oh no, there's no option to pay me for trading, unfortunately. I feel like there are places where you can do stuff like that, but no, there's no way for me to do that though. But yeah, have a blessed day, family. Appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace.